Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add numbers with the same sign. So we'll start with positive numbers. I can pick any numbers to add together. Let's add the numbers 9 and 17. Now, when you're adding numbers, doesn't matter if you're adding 2 numbers, 5 numbers, 15,000 numbers, or 100,000 numbers, the numbers that are being added in an addition problem have a special term, and that term is known as an addend. Here I've got 2 addends. I'm adding 9 and 17. Adding these 2 numbers together gives me a result of 26. 26, in this case, is known as the sum. So, 2 addends, 1 sum. And again, every addition problem will have at least 2 addends. I can have 5, 100,000, or 1,000,000, but there will always be 1 sum. Same also occurs when I am doing it with negative numbers. There's a bit of a catch here, and I'll show you that in this example. If I were to add 2 negative numbers, say -4 and -15. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these symbols around these 2 numbers. These are known as parentheses, and this just separates the number and its sign from the addition sign, just to let you know that I'm adding 2 negative numbers, not to stir any confusion. If you recall absolute value, I'll drop a link in the description of this video to my take on absolute value for a recap. If I take the absolute value of both of these numbers, respectfully, that would give me 4 and 15. Add 4 and 15, and you get 19. Now, I am adding a negative and another negative. Whenever you are adding numbers, and they all have the same sign. So if I'm adding 2 negative numbers, if I'm adding 5 negative numbers, or 100,000 negative numbers, the result will always be the same sign as the numbers being added. So 4 plus 15 is 19. -4 plus -15 is -19. This result follows for however many numbers you decide to add together, whether it's 2 negative numbers, 5 negative numbers, 100,000 negative numbers, the results or the sum will always be negative. Versus adding several positive numbers together, your positive numbers will result in a positive sum. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.